Hi guys, welcome to another video on Excel tutorials. So today we are going to see about formulas and functions which are being used in Microsoft Excel. Let's get into the session. When you take Microsoft Excel, which has a lot of formulas and functions which are inbuilt. So today we are going to see few formulas and functions which are being widely used in Microsoft Excel. The first one what we are going to see here is addition. So how we are going to add the numbers in Excel. Okay. So here the few things that we should know. This is the formula bar. Okay. So where we are going to type your formulas. So first what we need to do is we need to select the cell where we need the answer. So here we have two numbers 5 and 2. So we need to add these two numbers and we need the answer in the cell B6. Okay. So I can do it in two ways. One, I can type the formula in the cell, or else I can go to the formula bar and I can type the formulas. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to press equal to and I need to select which cell these two values belong to, 5 and 2. So which is B4 and B5. So what I need to do is type B4 and I need to add here. So type plus. So B5 is the next cell value. Okay. So now you can press enter. So I get the value of 5 plus 2, which is 7. Okay. Is there another way of doing this in a simplest way? Yes, we have a way that we can do it at a simplest form. Okay, so I can use a function here. Okay, so the function what I'm going to use here is sum function. Okay, if you type sum, it will be automatically coming. Okay, so here what we are going to do is we need to select the range. Okay, so here I want to add the number 5, 2 and 7. So here I am going to select that particular range 5 to 7, that is B4 to B6 I am selecting, and close the parenthesis bracket and press enter. So I get the summation of 5, 2 and 7. Okay, so this is how a sum function and the formulas for sum is being used. Next, let us look at how we are going to edit a formula. Okay, so here we have two numbers 6 and 8, and here is a sum formula that we have used. So B12 plus B13. So how we are going to edit this formula? So you can do it in two ways. One is like I can double click over here, and instead of plus I'm going to do minus, so I can edit it from here. So 6 minus 8 is minus 2, that we have got the answer. Or else there is another way that also possible that we can do it. So how we are going to do is you can go to the formula bar. So in the formula bar, instead of plus you can do minus. So this way also you can edit a particular formula. Now let us look at the operating precedence in Microsoft Excel. So when you look at the operating precedence, the first one is the parenthesis. Say in a formula, whatever comes inside the parenthesis will be taken first. After the parenthesis, the multiplication operations or the division operation will be performed by Excel. After that, addition or subtraction option will be done. Let us look at in a small example. So here we have three numbers. So we have a formula like uh, F18, that is 20 multiplied with the summation of 20 and 30 here. So here what was the first operation is, which is inside the parenthesis, like the summation of F19 and F20, that is 20 and 30 will be summated very first, and after which the summation will be multiplied with the value 10. So 10 multiplied with 20 plus 30, that is 10 into 50, which is going to be 500. Okay, so that is how the Excel will perform based on the operating precedence. The next one is copy paste a formula. So here we have a formula which is being applied here. So the formula is nothing but 6 multiplied with the summation of 7 and 8. So here I just want the same formula to be repeated over the next cell of the same row. Okay, so how can I do that? So I can do it in multiple ways. So one is that I can copy by using Ctrl plus C, and move to the next cell and press Ctrl V and click over here. It will open a lot of things. So here you need to select formula. Okay, so the formula will be copied over here. So this is one way that we can copy the formula. The other way is, what you can do is keep the cursor at the corner of that particular cell, click it and drag. Okay, so that you will copy the formulas to the entire cells in that particular row. Okay, so this is how you can copy a formula and paste it over the other cells. Okay, so the next thing is we are going to look at the countf function. Okay, so what is this countf function? So the countf function is going to count based on a certain criteria. Say we will be having n number of values. On those values we will set a criteria, say maybe greater than 5. Okay, so it will count how many numbers are greater than 5. Okay, so let us look at how we can perform counter function. So counter function can be performed in two ways. Okay, so I need the answer over here. So place the cursor on that particular cell and go to formulas. Okay, so in formulas you need to select insert function. Okay, so here you can see counter function. So already I have used counter function so that it is present over here. If it is not there in your dialog box, what you can do is you can type counterf here and click OK, so that counter function comes over here. So press OK, so it will open another dialog box, so where you need to give the range. So from which cell to which cell I need to find out the numbers which are greater than 5. So what I do is I select from I17 to N17. Okay, so these are the cells are going to be my range. And what is the criteria? I need to find out the value which is greater than 5. So I select greater than 5 here and I press OK. So I get the answer. So 4 numbers, that is 6, 8, 9 and 7 are greater than 5. So this is a way that you can find out the numbers which are greater than 5. Okay, so this is a use of a counter function. Uh, the other way that we can use it is you can use it through a formula. So equals to count f, open the parenthesis bracket. Next we need to select the range and press comma, then open a double quote. Inside the double quote you have to give the criteria which is greater than 5 here. Close the double quote, close the parenthesis and press enter, so that you can find out how many numbers are greater than 5. So here 5 numbers are greater than 5, 6, 8, 7, 9 and 9. So this is how you can perform counter function. Okay, so hope today we got few insights about the formulas and the functions. So in the further sessions we will see lot of other formulas which are being used in Microsoft Excel. Until then, see you from Santosh.
If you are interested in our video, press the like button. To see more of our videos, subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get further notification of our videos.